So yesterday we saw Apple's WWDC25 event where they dropped all the information for iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, a lot of OSs. In this video we're going to discuss the bigger news for each OS system. Let's get into it. All the device operating systems have been incorporated into the year of release as opposed to individual release. They each hold their device name, but all now finish with OS 26, meaning next year it will be OS 27 and so on. Apple then announced Liquid Glass. This will work across every Apple device where you can either leave the icons as they are, or the new Liquid Glass where the app icons and widgets appear to be translucent. Now on to macOS. The new software for 2026 will be called macOS Tahoe. Amongst some of the new designs are new, more powerful spotlight searches, new file system where you can edit the color and icons in folders, control center customization and shortcut automations, to name a few. There's no real new features to talk about on watchOS except that notes will be coming to the Apple Watch. Now for iOS. There have been changes to some of the apps on the iPhone, most notably the camera and Safari. But one of the best features I've seen is on the lock screen. As the picture changes on the lock screen, the size of the time can change. This also happens if and when you get notifications. The main feature picture on your lock screen will move up so you don't lose sight of your picture. Most of the other updates on iOS are behind the scenes. In my opinion, the star of this year's WWDC is the iPad. It seems to have had the most updates this year, most notably multitasking, where you can now resize multiple open windows on the iPad. You now also get the 3 Mac icons to control the size of the windows, taking the iPad one step closer to becoming a real laptop or computer replacement. And that is some of the best features coming to iPadOS this year. If you're still watching this, thanks for sticking around till the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as it really helps out the channel and make sure you get notified of all future videos. I also have a website where you can contact me directly to make video requests, suggestions, or simply stop by and say hello. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.